The title of this piece is Love is Strange. And when I saw the image, it first came to me, you know how you pinpoint something that you see with something that is inside of you as memories. So this looked like the Cookie Monster here to the left side. At least that's how I saw it. And then the Cookie Monster had fell in love with this beautiful lady. And if you are to say, well, society, we accept it, well, love is strange. And you can find love in the unexpected places. So that's something that I was very moved by. Like I was saying, we criticize those who find love. You could love yourself. You know, you could love yourself and you don't want to marry because you're in love with yourself. And is that a selfish act? I don't think so. It's just how you are. And I think that's the beauty of it, is to respect that one's choice. And then this one here is the guest of honors. You know, like it's kind of like beastie characters. You know, look kind of awkward in the middle of the party, but think about how Toulouse-Lautrec, people saw him when he was in the party. Like everyone had their own, you know, normal legs, and he looked like a dwarf. So I'm thinking probably they were bullying him. And I think that's something that it was happening then and now is happening in our times. And in this case, they're just playing it cool. You know what? I might be different, but I'm cool. And it's how you perceive yourself that matters at the end of everything.